hard to film today. It's pouring rain. But there's my progress on the rain barrel. This is an old stump and some paving stone. Right here. Nice and level. And now I gotta figure out if my thing for the downspout is long enough. So yeah, and then we'll figure out how to keep the mosquitoes out and give this a little clean out, and yeah, go from there. Back at it. Heidi ho. So I'm working on the rain barrel setup. Punch a hole with the hole saw to get the valve in so I can, yeah, water the garden. So, back at it. All right, install on the hose valve is complete. It's a little crooked, so I'm just gonna turn it a little bit more. Looks better. All right, all good. All nice and sealed inside. All right, back at it. All right, success. So, yeah, looks pretty good. Just gotta find a way to make this a little neater on the, this looks a little messy, but it's okay. Trim it all up. And, yeah, maybe I'll put one screw in the back and I'll use a bungee. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Two screws or two. Well, this is a little bit of this has been a struggle, but it's almost there. I gotta get this, I'm using a weed mat to keep the bugs out. I'm trying to get the weed mat through the plumber strap. But yeah, it's getting there. Already starting to fill up. Yeah, I gotta get back at it. This is cold fingers. All right, all done. Well, not quite all done. Gotta fix this up. Figure out a way to make this look a little more neat. But yeah, it's just drippings from the roof, but it's starting to fill up. And yeah, just gotta figure a way to make this nice. Maybe I'll put a couple screws, maybe one here and one on the back side, and use a bungee. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, and that will keep it from blowing up, because right now in the wind it'll blow and the mosquitoes will get in there, so we don't want to make a mosquito breeding ground. So yeah, looks pretty good. Maybe put some electrical tape here and clean this up a bit, but that was really hard to get that in. But yes, back at it. Well, all done. Kind of proud of this. It's not too bad. Easily accessible. I just have to unwrap a little bit of line and check it and make sure everything's good. Yeah, I think it looks great. Nice brass there. I'll have to make sure that's closed. And that is closed. All right. 200 liters. Next, we'll have to get another one here. I'm hoping to get maybe two or three more. Two more would make it 600 liters. They're actually 208 liters, so it would make it 624 liters, and that is a good amount of rainwater. And then as we expand, maybe I'll go on the other downspout on the other side and get 3 more over there. So I have to keep an eye out for some barrels on my next patrol, and yeah, back at it. 208 liters this barrel holds, and it filled up less than 6 hours. So I had to run up to the hardware store and put it in an overflow valve. I set it up the same way as for the hose down there. Just when we get the new one or a couple more, we haven't decided. We might get an actual bigger tank and put it here, like 400 liters. So we'd have 600 liters of water, which will fill up in 2 days. So I'll use the same overflow valve to plumb in the bigger one. It depends on what we do, but yeah, that's my solution for now. Runs all the way down to the back of the property. Yeah, that way we don't have to waste the water to make sure that it doesn't overflow and ruin the foundation, and you know, all that kind of fun stuff. And an update on the tomato bed. Looks nice and wet now. Getting some good rain. Seaweed's starting to decompose and get in there. So yeah, it's been a rainy few days. Good morning, people. Well, it is a beautiful morning after the storm. Sun is shining, skies are blue. It's a little chilly this morning, but yeah, guess this means back at it, digging and finishing up that bed over there. Dog is happy sniffing all the sniffs. And yeah, we got a delivery today. We'll see what that is later. And yeah, so I'm gonna get back to this bed. Gonna finish up before our friend Sarah comes with her truck to help us haul away all of the debris that we've been collecting here. So, you know, some people don't like Facebook. A lot of misinformation on there. You can fall into the rabbit hole of the social media thing, but sometimes Facebook delivers. I put a message out that we needed some more rain collection. And within a few hours, I had a couple offers, and we got this beauty. So it's 455 liters of rainwater collection. And yeah, that'll do us good. Needs a little bit of a scrubbing. I gotta figure out some valve stuff. But we have lots of rainwater to collect now to help with our water bill. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some groceries and then get to scrubbing. I gotta learn how to look at the camera, not look at the screen. Figure how to cover it so the mosquitoes don't get in it. And then we got the original blue barrel beside it, and I'm just going to put another overflow valve here and run some tubing into it. So once this is full, it'll run into there. And now we're at way more than I thought. I made a mistake on the size of the white one. It is, if you can see that, 1,000 liters. So 1,000 liters plus the barrel, that's 1,208, and we should have 2 more barrels. So, all right, back at it. So I attached a little brass hose bib to an elbow, 90-degree elbow, and then press fitted that with a pipe strap to the valve to the new Reign barrel. It's 455 liters. Yeah, it should work. Now I got attached a downspout and cover that so that mosquitoes don't get in there. All right, on to the next. Yes, love?
I want out.
You want out? So, we're all done for now. Blue barrel's connected to the big white one. I'm gonna leave it open for now. We're gonna get fish for inside in the spring. So some larvae inside would be good because the fish will eat them all. And if it gets bad and mosquito-y, then I'll just cover it up after. Yeah. All done. So we're having a first good rain here. It's still raining. I don't know if you can see that, but it's already at 250 liters. This morning before the rain started, it was down here at 100 and I don't know, 25, 130 liters. She's working good now. Oh yeah. We'll probably need the overflow soon. Anyways, working on a cover for this. Just getting the template ready. It's pouring. Back at it. Oh, I don't know why this excites me so much, but it does. Building fast. We're probably just under 350 liters. Oh, working into the night here, just for the next rain. So I got one more hooked in. Still have another one. This one's a bit different, and the cutouts are a little low, so I may have to sacrifice some volume. I haven't figured that out yet. So at least I have these two in. I'm gonna stick the overflow valve on, or the overflow hose on. Yeah, it's color of night. So I got a lid. Figure out, well, just to attach it. I think I'll use those things. But more importantly, 2 more barrels delivered. So this gives us exactly where I want it to be, which was about 1,500 liters. So 1,000, 208, 208, 208. So yeah, 1624, 1625 liters of rainwater ability. So perfect. Plumb those in and yeah, clean them up and get them ready to catch some water. And update on the water. It slowed down a bit, but we're at 400 liters, so yeah. We had a little rain this morning, up to 475, just like that, like 30 minutes of rain. Well, good morning. It must have poured last night because we are way up at 800 and I would say 25 liters, almost all the way up. A little more to go to get to 1,000 liters, but holy shoot, 825 liters, still counting. Have a great day.